Now guys, and in today's video I'll show you guys how to make a Fortnite profile picture like mine. So the skin that I'm gonna use for this example is the Earth skin. So we're gonna use this. So just download the image, then Earth skin wallpaper. If you want, you could just search up like cool. Alright, so what I'm going to use here is yellow background, which I already have. So just search up yellow background or whatever you want. And if you want to do is go on this app. I'm going to look for it real quick. Here it is. Boom, bam. Image. Look for your PNG. So boom, bam. Now what you gotta do is put in your username. So your name, and then make it big. Okay, and then click on add item. Click on this one right here. Click on size. Make it to the max. Now, if it doesn't like reach fully, you gotta make your skin a little bit smaller. So like that. So I'm gonna put it right here. Boom. Now click on style. You can do whatever style you want. Doesn't matter. But this is what I'm gonna do. Your style, and then I'll click on style right here. Boom. Your name. Okay, make sure it's perfect. But yeah, that's really what you have to do. Oh, actually, first, you can change the circle color to whatever you want. I'm gonna do black for this one. So save as a PNG. And
Ideals that I.
And then once you're there, you can click on your YouTube channel. And then once you do that, click on the little this thing right here, right? And then click on those three dots up there in the top right corner. Click on help and feedback. Now next thing you want to do is click change your profile picture. And then yeah, change it from there on back forth. So then you just click upload photo, and then yeah, that's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe.